Danish basket.
A Danish basket, which here's an example. I'm going to hold it up. And right here. And you can see that I have some Hershey Kisses inside. I'm putting those in there. So let me hold it to the side so you can see.
So cute.
There you go. So there's your Hershey Kisses. There's your basket. Now, this is not easy. I'll just warn you right now. It's a little bit difficult to get the hang of. I think that's why it's good that we're doing this as a video. You do have instructions. They're right here. And so what we're going to do is look at what you've got inside. You've got two pieces, different colors, okay? Red and a white. And then you're going to have another little piece right here that's going to make your handle. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to cut around the outside of it first. You can fold it if you want, because you are going to fold it, so it'll be easier just to fold it along that dotted line and cut around it as long as you're sure that that dotted line is correctly folded. You'll just throw it off by a little bit, but sometimes it can make a difference.
Post-it notes. That's all. Oh. I need my elbow too fast. That's why I started before you started. So you would have done
I'm showing you I'm cutting.
You had it
not pretty even. So that's the white side. Now we're going to do the red. Well, I folded it on so that the markings are showing.
Okay, so the markings are facing out and not in, right?
Right.
Okay.
And you're going to fold it right there on that dashed line. Now, as I said, if you correct.
They're going to be on the outside like that. I don't know if you guys can see that right there.
Once you have both sides cut out, okay, so this was step one on your instruction, just cutting out the shape.
Not the best cutting job in the world, but it works.
Don't feel like mine either.
Okay, so once you have them both
Hold it.
out, okay, make sure you do a nice crease along that dashed line. Now, the important part is you cut right to the end of that line, right to the end, and that's what's important. The weaving is really,
Okay, so what you do?
it's really fun. So if you hold them in your hands, just like the picture, okay,
Yeah.
and you're going to put A over the red number 3. So the thing is, you have to make sure you're going on the inside, correct?
So what you'll want to do is when you're doing this, I'll start you on this one. So Veronica's, she hasn't done it yet. So you'll want to do, so take this one and this one, and it goes, the red goes inside, the white goes, it's easier to open it up. The white goes through the red on the inside, and then on the outside, take the white and put the red inside.
Correct.
And then on the second one, you do the opposite, and then on that bottom one, you do the exact same thing.
It'll get a little tight. It'll get a little tight, but don't worry about it. Once you get the hang of it, it makes sense, but it took me a while. And they have some very fancy weaving that you can do. I saw some that I just couldn't believe that they were doing it like that. So when you get down to that last row, that's where it gets tight. And if you have to bend it just a little bit, don't worry.
heart's bit.
Oh dear, if you mess one up, you can't open it. Like I just did. Then you get this, where it doesn't open. So you have to go back and redo it.
Oh no.
I missed one. This is called a Danish heart. Sometimes it's called a Scandinavian heart. And as I said before, you can find some designs that are so incredible, so complicated. I never even attempted, but
Good girl, Miss Molly.
I think I actually got it, guys. I think.
can you open it all the way?
Open one side, Miss Mary,
Yes,
or did
it's
I
a
do that
basket.
wrong?
You're supposed you did that right.
Are you sure? Because it only opens right there. Yeah.
It's a basket.
Yeah, no, it's got to open all the way in the center.
No.
Yep.
Oh, yeah, you did that one wrong. Or I did that one wrong, because this is it the second one or the first one?
I don't know.
I messed mine up. I have to redo it.
That's right.
That's a trippy thing.
We'll just say name's done.
Yeah, Veronica's is done.
Is it?
Yes.
Just redo it. That's what I'm doing.
Oh my. Oh.
Because I messed mine up. I missed one of them.
Because I don't even know how to take it apart.
Same way you put it together. Ha
Ah, perfect. Veronica,
Oh my
you're killing me, girl, because look at me. I'm back to square one. I had to take it all apart.
god. Oh my.
I had to. It was too funny.
That was the best thing in the world just now.
This is actually really cute, though.
It is once you get it to do it the right way. You can't be impatient. They also, you can do these with paper. They also do them with cloth, like felt.
What did you
Make little felt boxes too.
I wear my heart.
Anybody that does sewing or maybe needlework, like crocheting, knitting, you know that half the time you've got to rip it out and start over again. So it is a little bit tedious, but it's worth it. Now, you're going to go ahead and you can staple your little handle on. You can glue it, you can tape it, whatever you want to do. If you're going to be putting heavy candy in it, I would say staple it. It'll be more secure. And so that's what I'm going to do. Okay, so there you go.
He has his little basket. Oh,
What's the candy?
thank you.
Oh my god, that is so precious. Yeah.
Look at that, guys. It fit quite a bit of kisses in there.
Yeah,
I didn't put as many, but eat.
You want more?
No, ma'am.